Hello and welcome to this video on how to assemble, adjust, and remove the MT-80 wrist-mounted GPS tracker. We are going to start by getting acquainted with the parts that we're going to be working with. We will be needing the tracker and the small bag containing 2 pairs of distinct screws, 2 metal parts, and the small Phillips and star screwdrivers. Now, to get started, we will first unlock the device. Using the star screwdriver, release the visible top screw. Once released, set the screw and screwdriver aside. Then, without being too rough, pull the strap away until it unsnaps and releases. Now that the device is released, we're going to be adjusting the strap size. Look at the inside of the strap. You can see a small metal post inside one of the sizing holes. Simply pull the strap away from the metal buckle to release. Then slide the buckle along the strap to the desired size. And reinsert the metal post into a sizing hole. Ensure that the selected size is the correct choice. Once you are sure of the size, slide the included metal piece onto the end of the sizing strap. The open end should be facing outward. Align the small hole in the center of the metal piece with the hole in the center of the metal sizing post. Then, using one of the small screws and Phillips screwdriver, attach the metal piece to the buckle. If further sizing is needed, simply unscrew the metal piece. We are now ready to attach the tracker. With the button facing toward the wearer, slide the device on their wrist. Close the buckle and press until it snaps closed. Finally, reattach and tighten the long screw on the outer part of the buckle. To remove, once again, just release the top screw. Happy tracking, and thanks for watching!